Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets craftsmanship and forgotten materials find a beautiful new purpose. In today's video, from scrap to statement industrial wood metal wall decor and shelving ideas, we invite you to slow down, look a little closer, and see the hidden potential in what the world often throws away. Scrap wood with weathered grain, metal marked by time, and industrial offcuts once destined for waste become the starting point of something meaningful. Designs that tell a story, carry character, and transform ordinary walls into powerful visual statements. This journey is not just about decor, it's about imagination, sustainability, and the art of turning raw materials into functional beauty that lives with you every day. Industrial style has a unique way of speaking to the soul. It's honest, bold, and unfiltered, celebrating imperfections rather than hiding them. In this video, you'll see how the warmth of reclaimed wood pairs effortlessly with the strength of metal, creating wall decor and shelving that feel both grounded and modern. These pieces are designed to do more than just hold objects. They frame your space, highlight your personality, and bring depth to rooms that crave character. Whether it's a cozy living room wall, a creative workspace, a minimalist kitchen, or a hallway waiting for life, these industrial-inspired ideas are meant to inspire you to see walls as opportunities, not limitations. At Kuki Decor, we believe that beauty doesn't have to be expensive or wasteful. True style comes from thoughtful choices and creative reuse. Every shelf, bracket, and wall-mounted design in this video reflects that belief, showing how scrap materials can be elevated into refined decor through simple design principles and careful craftsmanship. As you watch, we hope you feel inspired to think differently about what you already have around you. A leftover plank, an old metal frame, or an industrial offcut might just be the foundation of your next statement piece. This video is a gentle reminder that creativity begins with seeing potential where others see scrap. So settle in, let the ideas flow, and imagine how industrial wood and metal can redefine your walls. And if this creative journey resonates with you, don't forget to support Kuki Decor by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We share new inspiration every day to help turn simple materials into meaningful design. Industrial wall decor thrives on contrast, and that contrast is what makes it so visually compelling. Wood brings warmth, organic movement, and a sense of nature indoors, while metal introduces strength, clean lines, and an architectural edge. When these elements come together in shelving and wall decor, they create balance, soft against solid, rustic against modern. A simple wall-mounted shelf made from scrap timber and steel brackets can instantly transform a plain wall into a practical display area that feels intentional and designed. These pieces are not just storage solutions. They become frames for everyday life, holding books, plants, art objects, and personal treasures while enhancing the overall atmosphere of the room. One of the most powerful aspects of using scrap, wood and metal is the uniqueness each piece brings. No two reclaimed boards are the same, and no metal surface carries identical marks. Knots, grain patterns, subtle cracks, and patina all contribute to a one-of-a-kind look that mass-produced decor cannot replicate. Industrial wall decor embraces these imperfections rather than hiding them. A slightly uneven edge, or a visible weld becomes part of the design language, reminding us that beauty often lies in authenticity. These details add depth and soul to wall-mounted shelving, making each piece feel handcrafted and meaningful. Beyond functionality, these designs reflect a growing appreciation for sustainable living. Repurposing scrap materials reduces waste and gives new life to resources that would otherwise be discarded. This approach aligns with a more mindful way of decorating, choosing quality, longevity, and intention over fast trends. Industrial wall decor made from reclaimed wood and reused metal supports the idea that good design can also be responsible design. Each shelf or wall feature becomes a small but meaningful step toward a more eco-conscious home, proving that sustainability and style can coexist beautifully. The industrial aesthetic also allows for creative freedom. Wall decor doesn't have to follow strict rules, instead, it encourages experimentation. Layered shelving, asymmetrical arrangements, and mixed finishes can all work together to create a dynamic wall display. Metal frames paired with thick wooden planks can feel bold and architectural, while slimmer profiles offer a lighter, more minimalist look. Even the choice of finish, whether natural wood tones, dark stained surfaces, or raw untreated textures, can dramatically change the mood of the space. This flexibility makes industrial wood and metal wall decor suitable for everything from loft-style apartments to cozy modern homes. Another compelling aspect of these ideas is how they connect past and present. Reclaimed wood often carries a history, perhaps once part of a factory floor, an old door, or a shipping pallet. When transformed into wall decor, that history becomes part of the home, adding narrative and emotional depth. Metal components, with their industrial roots, echo strength and durability, reinforcing the sense that these pieces are built to last. Together, they create wall-mounted designs that feel grounded and enduring rather than temporary or decorative for decoration's sake. Industrial shelving and wall decor also enhance how we experience space. Walls are often underutilized, yet they offer immense potential for both visual impact and practical use. Thoughtfully designed shelving can open up rooms, reduce clutter, and highlight architectural features. By lifting storage off the floor, spaces feel more open and intentional. This is especially valuable in smaller homes or apartments, where every square meter matters. Industrial wall-mounted solutions provide storage without sacrificing style, making them ideal for modern living. At its core, the journey from scrap to statement is about seeing potential. It's about looking at leftover wood, bent metal, or industrial offcuts and imagining what they could become. Industrial wood and metal wall decor and shelving ideas encourage this shift in perspective, reminding us that creativity often begins with what we already have. These designs invite us to slow down, appreciate materials, and value craftsmanship over perfection. They prove that walls can be more than just boundaries, they can be canvases for expression, storytelling, and thoughtful design. In a world where interiors often feel rushed and uniform, industrial wall decor stands out for its honesty and character. Each shelf, bracket, and wall feature becomes a quiet statement of individuality and care. As we come to the end of this journey, one thing becomes clear: great design isn't about perfection or expensive materials, it's about vision. From scrap to statement, industrial wood metal wall decor and Shelving ideas shows us that even the most overlooked pieces of wood and metal can be transformed into meaningful, functional beauty when creativity leads the way. These industrial wall decor ideas remind us that our homes can reflect not only our style, but also our value: sustainability, craftsmanship, and thoughtful living. Every shelf and wall-mounted design you've seen is proof that character comes from texture, history, and purpose. The marks, grains, and imperfections are not flaws, they are stories. By choosing reclaimed wood and industrial metal, you're not just decorating a wall, you're creating a statement that feels warm, honest, and timeless. If this video inspired you to see scrap materials in a new way, we invite you to keep exploring creativity with Kuki Decor. Don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves unique home design, and subscribe to the channel for more daily inspiration. Together, let's continue turning simple materials into extraordinary spaces, one thoughtful design at a time.